Don't really know if this is fixable or not, but we're going to give it a go. Extremely large piece of what looks to be some type of alloy in the tyre. And now try a few plugs and see if we can get it to seal up over the crack. Wow, that's in there hard. This is half a wheel in here. Oh. Wow, okay. Alright, so there's a close-up of our fix. We used a set of 5 plus 2, so 7 plugs all up. We found out that it was a gas bottle, similar to what cyclists use to pump up their tyres. Obviously it must have fallen out of one of their packs, or they've used it and thrown it away, and yeah, picked it up in the car tyre. Congratulations, thanks for that. But anyway, it's Christmas Day, and this should get the car home, and then when the shop's open again next week, we should be able to get this repaired, or possibly even a new tyre, but this will get us home for now.